Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna add a couple more shots from the Fujifilm this time, X-T3 that I shot last year. So I just want to add a couple more photos from the shoots that I haven't edited yet. So I have a lot of shots before. So the first thing first, I'm gonna clean up some small detail in here. These small details. Yeah, these are just the minor detail on the ground and on the tree, just to make it a little bit cleaner than like random grounds. So yeah, that's good. And next thing, so as you can see that this profile is already a classic chrome when I import it. You can choose ProVia. In the Lightroom you have different profile already, and there's a standard Adobe color also, but I chose the classic chrome, or if you want you can choose the ProVia to start with. And let me choose this one just to have some different style, ProVia, and then increase the exposure a little bit. And the green seems too strong right here, so I'm gonna desaturate the green. So it's similar to the classic chrome, but I chose the ProVia so that the orange is nice here. And then remove the yellow a little bit. I can make it into more toward the orange side for the yellow. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is shadow, brighten up a little bit. Some small minor detail I just want to adjust here. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do a crop, 4x5 Instagram crop the edge of this white on the edge, and leave a lot of headroom because the face is facing this side, so this side should have more space than the left side, so the right side has more space than the left side. And you can check this thumbnail as I see on the side of the thumbnail to see what the composition is like. And also I'm gonna do a little bit more contrast for this one, so a little bit more contrast, and at wide open a little bit. I think it's just a little bit of the focus for this shot. What I'm gonna do next is there's a Adobe, and there's let me see, it's not here. Enhanced detail. So right when you right click, enhance detail. So because of the Fujifilm X-Trans sensor, Adobe has an update that has without enhance, with enhance, so the pixel is smaller, nice detail. And you can zoom out and then zoom back in just to see the difference. It seems like it added some color in the eyes, but for the skin it should be smoother. Let me see. So I click the enhance. It said creating a DNG with enhanced detail for the Fujifilm files. Once it's finished, it just add another file next to it. So this one has the original. This is enhanced.dng. Still a little bit of blue right here. I'm gonna reduce the blue. So you can see enhanced detail. It will add all the setting of the raw. Also, okay, so increase. So the next step after the enhanced detail, I'm just do a very quick skin smoothing. Okay. Okay, so that's good. After the skin smoothing, I'm gonna export this one. Next, I'm gonna copy the setting. Copy the setting. Paste it to one of these similar file right here. So let me paste it. You can see that the green is. Let me adjust the aqua also. Okay, so that's good. There's a dot right here. I'm gonna just okay. Overall is good, and check the face just a little bit. And then the crown here. Okay, so overall on the composition side is good, and I can do a 4:5 crop. Then I'm gonna do the I'm gonna leave it first and then do enhanced detail. So let me do undo enhanced detail. Let's do one more enhanced detail just to check it out. Without and with enhanced. Seems the pixel is just getting smaller pixel. Enhanced detail. So if you're creating a new DNG file with enhanced detail with all your raw file information and sharpening the Fujifilm X-T3 files. Enhanced detail, I think it's just on the recent updates. Earlier, I forgot if it's like a couple months ago, it has an update. So after that, oh, right here. So this is the enhanced detail shots. I'm gonna do a just reference. You can see whether it's a very big improvement. I can see that here is sharper than the non-enhanced detail. So the right side is enhanced detail, and then the left side is not enhanced. So I'll leave you a moment and then you can check. So you can check the different parts. Is it enhanced? I think it's about 30%, maybe 20% enhanced on eyes also. You can see that eyes is better. So after the enhanced detail, it looks better. That's the conclusion. So what I'm gonna do is do another quick portraiture 3. And then after that, after that I'm gonna export this. So after the export, last thing I'm gonna try the enhanced detail is the indoor shots. Let me see which one. I like the light in this one, so let me increase the shadow, and then the highlight remove a little bit. This one is on Adobe Color, but this one is a different lens, 23mm f1.4, and I'm gonna apply the enhanced detail later. Also, I'm gonna set as ProVia, the standard, and increase the contrast. Okay, so just do a quick enhanced detail shot just to see, let you compare the difference between non-enhanced detail and enhanced detail from the Lightroom. For those of you who are using Lightroom, you can just check it out. Okay, so I'm going to do enhanced detail shots. So waiting for the progress bar, and this one, the sunlight is from the window behind me, from the big window from the door behind me. Is a natural light only, and I should only natural light. So this one is enhanced detail, and I'm gonna do a reference with this one. Let's just focus on here and here. Let's see. It seems like the color changed a little bit, but the focus is on here. This one is not very obvious difference. I can see that even this texture without enhanced detail right here, this one is better than. So in the strong sunlight, it seems like you don't need the enhanced detail, but for even lighting, it's good to have enhanced detail. That's one of my conclusion. So from the strong sunlight, you don't need enhanced detail because it's already very sharp if you have a strong good lighting in here. So that's my conclusion of today. Just to want to show you a little bit of the X-T3 editing and some enhanced detail from the Lightroom Classic. So stay tuned for more videos coming up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.